3?
Yes, I'm scared. I don't know what to do.
It's okay. All you need to remember is the Merriam 3. Be respectful, be responsible, and safety.
How do you do that?
It's easy. We show respect by paying attention and clapping when necessary and being quiet. Number 2, we are responsible by remembering our belongings and entering and exiting quietly. Number 3, we stay safe by staying seated with a calm body, listening to the adults.
Thank you for helping me. Now I know what to do.
Merriam 3 is the way to be.